Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve this HackerRank problem based on the interview preparation kit, and it falls under the warm-up challenge. Problem name is as given, repeated string. Let me walk you through the problem statement. Leela has a string s of the lowercase English letter that is repeated infinitely many times. Given an integer n, find and print the number of the letters a in the first n letter of the Leela's infinite string. For example, if the string a is abc and n is equal to 10, then the substring we considered is abc, abc and ac. The first 10 character of her infinite string, there are 4 occurrences of a in the substring. Let's understand this input format. The first line contains a single string s, and the second line contains an integer n. A length of the string would be more than 1 and less than equal to the 100, and the value of the n will be more than 1 and 10 to the power 12. This is the output format. Print a single integer denoting the number of the letter is in the first n letter of the infinite string created by the repeating string infinitely many times. Like a given string is ABA and the value n is given 10. So the length of the string is 3, and but we want 10. So we will repeat this the same string for 3 times. Then length of the substring will be 9, but one character is still remaining. So we'll add first character of this given string a. So now our string will become the length of 10, and in that frequency of a would be 7. Okay, let me write some code so that we will see all these things in action. This function wants to return a long type of variable result, which will actually store the result, and I am returning result. Okay, first we need to account how many a present in the given string. So I am going to use for each loop, and when we will iterate the string, then one character will be uh, accessed at a time. So I'm creating a character type of variable char in s given string s. I'm checking if ch character is equal to a, then I'm going to increase result by 1, because this time I'm checking the frequency of the a in the given string, original string. I'm going to tell update the result, how many number of time we need to concatenate the same string to make the length of the given as n. So n divide by s dot length. Okay, what I'm trying to do here, let's assume we have the string a b a. In that, frequency of a is 2, but we want to make it a b a, a b a, a b a and a 10. So in the first string, the given string is ABA. In that, frequency of A is 2, and we need to repeat the same string for 3 times, and need to add one more character A. So if here frequency is 2, then for each new string will be the frequency 2. So what I'm trying to update here, I'm trying to check the frequency of how many times we need to concatenate the same string, original string. Okay, and now I'm checking if after concatenating the string is something remain. So that I'm creating remaining variable rem, and n mod is dot length. This line will returns 10 divided by 3 is equal to 3. This line will let me write it at the top of this. Yeah, this line will return 3, so that I'm updating the result by multiplying 3. Now we have to concatenate 3 string to make, but the after concatenating 3 times in the string, the length of the string will be only the 9th. One character is remained. So now in this 10 mod 3 is equal 1 1. Okay, now I am going to do the same kind of thing that I committed above. I'm going to use for int I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to rem, and I plus plus. Here we don't having ch, so I will use s of I. Yeah, this for loop will execute, will add the remaining string after if something is left to make the length of the string as in the given input n. In that case, this for loop will calculate the how many is left in the remaining string. So let me run this code for sample test case validation. Here was the problem, so that I'm getting this exception because I misspelled here length. Let me again run this code. Unassigned local variable. Yeah, need to assign result variable. Okay, again. Yeah, it passed the sample test case. Let's again run submit this code for final evaluation. Yeah, it passed the all test cases without any issue. So guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.